today. Let's go to the Azure DevOps board and let's see how we can make a project and DevOps board. So for creating a project, you can go to this. Let's create a new project. Let's write my project 2. So after this new project will be created. Okay, so my project 2, new project 2 is created. So let's go and see how we can work with boards. So currently there are no work item. You can add a epic work item over here and let's make it as a data upload. Suppose this task is this, you can assign it under your name and you can take what you have to do. If you want to add it to backlog, you can add it. And if there is any existing work item you want to add these many existing work item, if you want suppose to load the data, we can load the data. We can add a link over here and likewise we can add as many links as we want. So let's save it. And after saving, you can see this work item data upload is being created. You can change the state from here. So let's go to the board. And in the board, let's create a new item name data validate elect. So this data validate is being added and currently you can assign it under your name. And then if you want to add a task, you can add several subtasks. Suppose a data validate load the data, or we can add other subtask. So load the data. If you want to assign it under your name, you can do it. And see from here, you can go and check the things. You can see if you put it in doing state and just save and close, you can see it automatically come to the saving state. And for now, let's delete this work item. And after this, let's add one more work item, validate the data. So for now, you can, as soon as you complete the task, you can put a check mark over here. And also you can change the state from doing to done state or anything. Currently it is in no, okay. So now if you want to create a sprints, you can see as many sprints you can want. Like to do, currently 3 sprints are there. To do, doing, done. You can create any sprints if you want. For creating a sprints, just go to the backlog. Sprint 1 is already created and then just create a new sprint like that, which is sprint 2. In take the date also for 2 days sprint and let's create this sprint. You can see we can add it to the top. You can add a title work 2. You can assign it under your name and also you can add the branch if you want to add any branch. If it is there, you can add it. Just save it, close. You can see work item is already being created and in the board you can see this work item is also created. You can put to any state if you want. You can put it any done or you can back it to do state. So this is all about today's lecture. Let's meet in the other lecture where we will learn about the how to connect Git from our Azure DevOps. Till then, goodbye.